something to say to your friends who set you up?
Please don't flip them off.
No.
I'm here today with my cousin John Deerte. This is what it's like in the outback when we're hunting for raccoons in the bush. You get in deep and we're looking for them, and when you can't get them out, you gotta use your blower. Now watch this. Ready, John? Give us a pull, Diamond. That's how we get them out of the bush. Now what we're gonna be doing today is going and finding teenagers and get them out of that bush. Just like Cooney. Nice job, John. Let's get them. Let's go.
Hey, that was a courtesy of James Ramos.
You don't get a donut?
What do you say?
I don't get a donut or nothing? Have you met my cousins? John Deerte over yonder? He likes the ducks.
Yo, no. I see all the stuff.
He likes the ducks. Look at him.
He's into them.
He's
beavers.
with you.
I like beavers a little bit better. You can trap them.
Crocky, we found the elusive teenager.
We did. This is my other cousin, Josh Deerte from. He's an Aussie from Australia, right, Mike?
That's why shorts are all upside down.
They are. Oh, hey, good morning. Hey,
What are we doing?
we're gonna go see this little kid who likes rock stars. That's my bum on your leg. My bum is on your leg, or arm. Yeah. So. Matt Johnson, yeah, there you go.
Crikey, that's a lot.
Our interview, we had to be close, real close.
You're like my cousin's brother's uncle.
Wow, so no kissing.
Okay.
We're just that's bad. But yeah, Matt Johnson, he likes rock stars, and I think we need to go wake up his collection.
Rock star up waking.
Rock star up. That's kind of like cowboy up, but rock star up.
Mm-hmm.
I like it.
Mm-hmm. Morning, sunshine!
Your rock
star flew over.
Oh my.
Now you have something to do today. Hey! Yeah.
That was a long night last night. Oh, what are you doing in my bed? You need help with these?
I think he wants one. Here.
I think I'm good.
We'll put him back.
Well, we didn't see anything, but we sure heard it.
You get the hair?
Whoa! He went through a tornado.
That's what we call a twister.
Oh my god.
Texas in Australia, do they go the other way?
We need to fix that.
Yeah.
Right
That looks
there.
good.
A little bit of
That looks
that.
real
Much
good.
better.
Beautiful.
Look.
Let me frame
Right
that.
there.
Nice.
Good morning.
Good morning.
We'll let you go back to sleep. Don't break your guitar. Someone's little Nino's out here loose, so we're gonna take him into Alex, and so he can cuddle up again.
time for football.
That's at night.
Okay, then you slept a little late.
Hut!
You're not real reactive.
Go like this. Make it hoop.
Here, catch a softball. This might hurt.
That's
Look like we got some Hot Wheels.
Which one do you drive?
Ooh,
That looks like my front yard.
big time muscle. That's a car.
Where'd you kill this one?
Kitty.
It's a coyote.
I once caught a fish this big. This is a great room. Oh look, a big one. He shot the big one. It's a jackalope.
Yeah, I've seen something like this, but that little bunny face is right here. 1, 2,
Don't steal the children now.
12-point buck.
children everywhere. You just let her sleep outside without you?
She's been shot.
You need to make sure she doesn't take out, she get hurt.
Oh, she's a real professional. He signs his own balls.